The exhibition Caravans of Gold, Fragments in Time places Africa at the center of a global system of trade in the medieval period. This is a story that takes us back to a period of time when Western Africa was playing a hugely significant role in a global economy. This is a small piece of glazed porcelain from a small bowl, and it's the sort of the upper edge of that bowl. And so this small porcelain bowl was transported all the way from a production center in central China across many, many different trade routes to make it all the way to Tadmeka and become somebody's treasured possession. Mansa Musa was the king of the Mali Empire in the early 14th century. He may have been the richest man ever in the history of the world. He and his empire were controlling the access to the gold resources that were part of the vast lands that he reigned over.
So what this exhibition is asking us is to say, well, what if you walked in here and all you saw was a bead? If you found this bead, what story would you tell of the bead? And for the first time, perhaps, one then has to examine these two unconscious narratives in this creation of a third narrative, so that one inserts themselves not from the position of privilege, but from the position of a kind of curiosity. And so that's all we can ask, that you come here curious.
We have, in the museum world, have found a way to come together, to synergize and be able to put across some of this precious cultural patrimony.
This project has been committed to working directly with the nations of Mali, Morocco, and Nigeria. The development of the exhibition has really been made possible by these partnerships with institutions and individuals in these countries. Together, we begin to see a bigger story.
You need the Africans. You also need the community, because some objects were used in a different way in the past. The way it's used today is different from the past. And maybe the way it will be used in the future might be different from the present. So these are some of the things we need to learn from each other.
This exhibition is about putting Africa at the center of the world so that we might better appreciate its importance and relevance to our world today.